big belief I've always had, and especially in 2018, is that an Indian headquartered global world-class knowledge services firm, which is delivering significant value to our clients at a global level and also in India, can be built out of India. And over the years, that belief has only got further strengthened. And that is what we are trying to do at Benori as well.
Well, I'm very excited. Of course, it's a milestone, but more than the milestone, the excitement is about what we've been able to create over the last 8 years, the momentum we have gained. We have clients who trust us, a great team that's highly competent and committed, and of course, solutions that are future ready and enabling our clients make better, faster decisions.
Incredible. It has been a wonderful journey with a lot of learning, but I think it's just the beginning. Our best work is yet to come.
Yes, Anurag, you?
Feeling proud and slightly surprised it's already 8. We just blinked and made something incredible.
I think incredible. With all the crises of COVID that no one saw, pivoting, becoming more agile, then having this AI kind of a disruption, which is extremely exciting. I think it's amazing the way we have reacted and adapted. Wonderful feeling.
Yeah, and Dolly, you?
So I think number 8 has always fascinated me, right? Because, it is kind of equal to infinity, the symbol infinity. So for me, 8 is a mark of beginning of something new, and Benori is on that journey. At the same time, it is also balance, right? So for me, it's probably we will strike that balance between AI and human-led innovation, service, and everything else, whatever we do. So yeah, that's 8 for me.
Exciting.
Proud to be part of Benori's 8-year journey and seeing it transform into a future-ready company.
Benori is aging like fine strategy, but on a serious note, it is definitely a milestone. But it always feels like a launch pad because the market is changing so rapidly.
Yeah, so 8 years, and trust me, it feels like yesterday we were, figuring things out, and trust me, we still are, but we are much better at solving them with more conviction.
So it has been a very incredible feeling watching Benori grow from its early days to the powerhouse of knowledge that it is today. And I'm really, really proud to have been a part of this journey since its early days, and looking forward to many more years of collective success.
Benori turning 8 is a proud milestone. It reflects the journey, the people and everything we have built together so far. Glad to be a part of it and looking forward what is next.
It feels really emotional and like a personal win. As we remember, when I joined Benori 8 years back, and here we are, all grown up with lots of memories and achievements.
8 years of emotions, memories, all treasured deeply, and really looking forward for such more moments in the years to come.
मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। इस बेनोरी का 8 साल हो गया और मैं भी इस कंपनी में 8 साल हो गया मेरे को भी, और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा और मुझे बहुत कुछ मिला है, और इस बेनोरी आज बहुत बड़ा हो गया। मैं यही दुआ करता हूँ कि और बड़ा हो जाए, ये कंपनी नामदार बने, और मैं तो ऐसे बहुत बहुत खुश हूँ। मैं इसके लिए, बेनोरी के लिए मैं थैंकफुल हूँ। मैं बेनोरी को थैंक यू बोलूँगा।
I think it's the work-team balance and the overall office vibe.
The people I work with, they make the work more fun.
So for me, it's the lovely people around me, the kind of energy that we get, the kind of collaboration that we do, and building something together.
The primary reason is definitely money, and secondly, I look forward to come to office for team interaction.
Good vibes and chill people.
Constant growth, amazing team, and great coffee. It's more fun working together in person.
It's work, but mostly because of my friends and my team.
I am proud to be at Benori, to work at the forefront of AI, and to work with a whole bunch of amazing people.
I'm proud because we keep pushing the boundaries of what we can build and achieve, especially in this fast-paced, evolving space.
You can say that best part is that there hasn't been a single day when there was not a new problem or a new thing to learn. So this makes it a bit interesting on a daily basis.
Meeting marathon, creativity block and unblock, interactive.
Must.
Interactive and fast-paced.
Really engaging and insightful.
Fun is the regular written mentor shared within the team.
My coworkers, they bring fun to kiosks.
Inclusivity, target-driven approach, and a lot of fun in the team.
Fun conversation between work.
Great people, fun ideas, and lots of laughter.
The collaboration and chemistry on and off desk.
Curious, driven, and slightly restless. Always looking for what's next.
And Madhurima, you?
I think it would be, one of those problem solvers who likes challenges, creating that, a complex puzzle and doesn't like easy answers.
Dhurandhar. I think a super can-do attitude. Whatever problems the life will throw, just wade through it, just bulldoze it, just evolve for better. So yeah, Dhurandhar.
The person that comes to my mind is Mother Teresa. What I like is the passion of service that she displayed. And I think in all of us Benorians, we also have that passion to do something really good for our clients, right? And her service made her famous across the world. And that's how we will be as well.
I would like to describe it as a smart, sharp, dependable strategist in the room.
If Benori was a person, it would be thought-provoking.
If Benori was a person, it would be someone who says, let's keep things simple and then deliver something very, very complex effortlessly.
Well, what excites me the most, we are living in very exciting times right now. Actually, it's a historical moment with the kind of advancements we are seeing in AI. And the energy that is there in the Benori office these days is just amazing. I mean, that's the most exciting part for all of us here at Benori as we lean into AI fully and help our clients deploy it in their business workflows and enable them to make faster and better decisions.
It's a very simple two-lettered acronym. It's called AI. So what's ahead and what is already happening is fabulous, fantastic. At the same time, it's also scary. Artificial intelligence plus human plus India, that is going to be the terrific combination and almost an unbeatable combination in the future. And we are trying to inculcate AI in every atom of our existence.
So Seher, what makes your team fun?
Me? No, I can't do this. Gen Z.
How do you feel about 8 years of Benori?
It feels very emotional and like a personal win.
How do you feel about 8 years of Benori?
So...
What makes your team fun?
My coworkers, they bring fun to chaos.